Dear all engineers, today's subject is HVAC systems, which are complex assemblies composed of various components that work together to regulate heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in buildings. Understand the various parts of an HVAC system is crucial for maintenance, repair, and efficient operation. Each component plays a specific role in ensuring the system functions effectively to provide comfort and air quality in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Here's a comprehensive list of the main parts typically found in HVAC systems.
1. Heating components. 1. Furnace. 2. Heat exchanger. 3. Boiler. 4. Radiators. 5. Heat pumps. 6. Electric heaters. 7. Hydronic heating system. 2. Ventilation components. 1. Ductwork. 2. Vents/registers. 3. Diffusers. 4. Air filters. 5. Exhaust fans. 6. Air handlers. 7. Dampers. 8. ERV, energy recovery ventilator. 9. HRV, heat recovery ventilator. 3. Air conditioning components. 1. Air conditioner. 2. Condenser coil. 3. Evaporator coil. 4. Compressor. 5. Refrigerant lines. 6. Expansion valve. 4. Control systems. 1. Thermostat. 2. Humidistat. 3. Zone control systems. 4. Sensors. 5. Control boards. 5. Auxiliary components. 1. Humidifiers. 2. Dehumidifiers. 3. Air purifiers. 4. Blower fans. 5. Thermocouples. 6. Pressure switches. 7. Contactors/relays. 8. Transformers. 6. Distribution systems. 1. Piping. 2. Radiant panels. 3. Chilled water systems. 4. Variable air volume (VAV) boxes. 5. Fan coil units. 7. Safety and maintenance components. 1. Air pressure switches. 2. Safety valves. 3. Drain pans. 4. Float switches. 5. Fuses/breakers. Dear electrical engineers, this channel is for you. If you're a student or professional looking to improve your electrical skills, all engineers will receive notifications for new videos. The first thing you should do is click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.